Hi, my name is Tobias from TSB, and today I'll show you how to install the TECEvelvet. First, the mounting frame is installed. To do this, insert the supplied screws through the corresponding holes and into the EasyFit mounting system. After that, you can tighten the screws. Use the supplied operating rods for this. Next, shorten the operating rods to the desired length. Then insert the operating rods through the holes at the bottom into the actuator block at a 45-degree angle and lock them in place with a slight upward pressure. Finally, simply snap the actuator plate into place. And that's it, the TECEvelvet is installed. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us at TSB by phone, email or WhatsApp.